Welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad you're here today. So we're making a heart little album, and I wanted to show it to you. This is cut on Cricut Design Space, and I'll share the link below. But let me just show you the completed one. So, and the one we're going to be cutting today, it's a little bigger than this one, not much, maybe a ½ inch, but. So I made a little paper clip. I just put a little fake flower and the wire that came on it, I wrapped it around the paper clip. So it's kind of cute. And it's all hearts and it has pockets. And I've pre-cut everything, so we'll go over it together. This belly band I had just made extra. And some little design elements with a little brad. And just some tags, more tags and lace, and this is all just extra decorating that you can do to make it your own. A little file folder with a little tiny ticket, and this is also a pocket here, and pockets. And then this, I cut a littler heart out and then just glued it and made a pocket. And then I glued it to the base. This paper, if you like it, is a free collection I have on Ko-fi. It's called Vintage Pink Peonies. And I'll share that link below, so if you want to download that paper. But for what we're going to do today on Cricut Design Space, I'm using DCWV Subtle and Sophisticated paper, and it's double-sided, so it's really fun. And here, let me see if I can bring up so this is what you're going to see on Cricut Design Space, and it just has the pre-cut hearts, which is going to make our album, and all you're going to do is just cut them out, and I cut this on a 12 by 12 and then fold them in half, and this is how you make the album. And then just put them together any way you think is pretty. And I am using my long arm stapler. Here, maybe I'll put this in the middle. So, let me grab it. Okay. And I am just using this to put it together, but you can glue right here if you'd like on each of the pieces. And I'm just going to add one staple right in the middle, and then just make sure your pieces are lined up. There you go. And now you have our little heart booklet. And this right here is the back base, which again, double-sided. And we're going to glue this right down to here. So let me just, and I'm using Art Glitter Glue. And just go ahead and put some glue all over the whole back. And then go ahead and place it down. And then just go ahead and push down so it adheres. Okay, so what we did is we cut these 3 hearts and folded them, and now we're using the purple, well, on here it's purple, the larger base, and this is the smaller one, and I'm going to glue this on top, and maybe just you can then add a sentiment or something. And I am gluing it doesn't matter, you can pick either side you want. Certainly You can use some solid cardstock for some of this, some sparkle. Really can change it up. All right, now, this is what you see right here. These are side pockets and these are bottom, and I'll show you how that works. So you just decide what side you want, and they're just, what I did is I sliced them out of the actual heart so they will fit in on either side as your pockets. So, and if you just want, and all you're going to do is put some glue on the bottom of your pocket and then place it. I'm doing mine all the way down, but you can move it up a little so you have a border. And then push down. And now you have, there you go, a little heart pocket down at the bottom. And let's say you want to do, and on this one, so I tear the pockets and inked, and you certainly can do that. I did that on a lot in here. Some of them I kept straight, but a lot of them I tore. So, and when you glue the heart pocket, you're just going to put glue around the outside. And then go ahead and see where you feel like it looks pretty. And put it in. And now you have side heart pocket. And you can just use as many of these as you want. And you can cut them, like I said, on different type of cardstock. Doesn't have to be, these don't have to be on double-sided. So you can, there you go. And then the turquoise here are just extras. So I didn't know if you wanted to resize and cut some other pieces out. And this is just, one of them is just the border and the other ones are just different size hearts. So you can use them as you feel. And that's that. And then these are, and I'll link the video below, it's only about a 2-minute video. The top paper strip here that you cut off, all of this, not the pockets, but all of this was made from those top strips. I had 5 sheets of paper, I cut the top strips, and then made little ephemera to go with this, matching the paper. And like I said, I'll link that video below if you want to just watch that. And then I didn't print the other heart for the back of this, but you certainly can. And then you can go ahead and add anything you want to it. Anyway, I will link the vintage Pink Peony paper for free if you want to use that. Now, if you do use that, you might want to print on both sides of the paper. That mine it's set up as the 12 by 12, so you might have to change the sizes, or unless you have a 12 by 12 printer, I don't know. If not, just use regular 12 by 12 cardstock. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and that you get to make some of these. They're really fun. And oh, the reason why, how I came up with the idea is a Facebook group that I'm in. They're doing a swap this week, and it was a heart, a shabby chic heart of some that you had to make of some sort. So I couldn't decide what to do, and then I came up with, well, I thought maybe an album would be really cute. And anyway, it ended up turning into this, and I felt like it would be a fun project to share with you guys. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to Sparkle and Glue, please do so. I appreciate you being here, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Oh, and by the way, it's Mother's Day, so happy Mommy's Day to all the moms and grandmas and nanas and everybody out there. Anyway, have a great one. Bye-bye.